This is question 2 from question set 1, which is a little confusing, but that's okay. This is part A. We're going to estimate the value of a share in United. We have some information about forecast earnings per share and forecast dividends, and then we have some growth rate, and we have our cost of equity, which would be the discount rate. So let's pull up, this is the solution, but let's do it from scratch. Okay, so whenever you get these types of problems where it says the earnings per share in each year over the next 3 years, you're assuming that you're standing in time 0 and these occur in year 1. And there's some question as to whether or not we should use earnings per share or dividends per share. And the answer here is that we are going to do the dividend discount model. When we talk about the value of a share in United, what we care about is the discounted value of the cash flows that we would receive if we bought this company. And those would be the dividends. That's what we care about when making these forecasts. So let's put in 253 and 350. And then it says that after that, you expect them to grow at a constant rate of 6%, and we also have a discount rate of 10%. So G and R, 0.06, 0.1. The value in year 4 is that times 1 plus 6%. So if we sold it, the value would be the growing perpetuity from year 4. And again, the growing perpetuity is going to be C over R minus G, where C is that payment that occurs one time period out, and R minus G is just R minus G. So now we can forget about every payment that happens in year 4 and thereafter because it's all embodied in this number. So this is the sum of cash flows the PV of the cash flows, lock the cell to the power of the number of years. You guys should be completely used to this. And then the NPV is going to equal the sum of all of these cash flows. And it is $77.07. And that is the answer that Professor Hall gets on his solution set as well.